Hey dreamers, it's Marveler, and welcome to Cairo. It's loud, beautiful, chaotic, ancient, alive, and absolutely unforgettable. Let's dive into the best highlights of Egypt's vibrant capital. Start big, literally. The Pyramids of Giza are the last surviving wonder of the ancient world.
Welcome to Giza, Cairo, Egypt, home to the timeless pyramids and the mysterious Sphinx. We're not just sightseeing, we're time-traveling back 4,500 years. This is the Great Pyramid of Khufu, the last remaining wonder of the ancient world. It's made of over 2 million limestone blocks, each weighing tons. How did they build this with no machines? That's the mystery, and the magic. One of the best ways to experience Giza? On camelback, just like ancient travelers once did. The horizon is all sand, stone, and stories. You can literally feel the past around you. And here it is, the Great Sphinx. Half lion, half pharaoh, all legend. It's been guarding these tombs for millennia, and some say it holds secrets buried beneath its paws. Standing here feels like being part of a riddle written in stone. As the sun sets over Giza, golden light spills across the stones like something out of a dream. These monuments weren't just tombs. They were gateways to eternity, built with vision, power, and divine obsession. You don't just visit the pyramids, you feel them. This is a place that humbles you, inspires you, and connects you to one of the greatest civilizations the world has ever known.
Now let's step inside time. The Egyptian Museum. Over 120,000 artifacts tell stories of pharaohs, queens, gods, and myths. You'll see Tutankhamun's treasures up close, and yes, they're just as dazzling as you imagined. Need some spice and sparkle? Head to Khan el-Khalili, Cairo's historic bazaar. Get lost among glowing lanterns, hand-painted ceramics, silver jewelry, and the sweet smell of spices. And don't leave without a cup of hot hibiscus tea. Take a step into Cairo's spiritual heart, Islamic Cairo. Marvel at ancient mosques, towering minarets, and tiled courtyards. At the top of the city, the citadel gives you panoramic views and peaceful history carved in stone. End your day the way Egyptians have for centuries, on the Nile. Take a felucca ride at sunset and let the breeze carry you past skyscrapers, palm trees, and ancient shores. It's magic on the move. Cairo isn't just a city. It's a living story, written in gold, stone, spice, and song. You'll leave with dust on your shoes, beauty in your eyes, and a piece of your heart left behind. I'm Marveler, and today I've landed in Sharm el-Sheikh, where desert meets sea, and every view feels like a dream. Welcome to Egypt's Red Sea gem, and one of my new favorite escapes on Earth. This is what Sharm is famous for. Ras Mohammed, one of the top diving spots in the world. The reefs here? Alive, surreal, electric. Even if you've never snorkeled before, do it here. Trust me, it's like falling into a living painting. When the sea sleeps, the desert awakens. Zoom through the dunes on a quad bike, then slow it down with a Bedouin tea ceremony under 1,000 stars. The silence out here? It's ancient and soul-deep. Back in town, Nama Bay is where the vibe flips from chill to cheerful. Cafes, music, palm-lined boardwalks. This is the heartbeat of Sharm. Perfect for beachy sunsets, people watching, and late-night laughs. Time to eat. Think fresh from the sea fish, sizzling calamari, and the creamiest tahini. Pair it with cold mango juice or a classic sugarcane drink, and suddenly, you're in heaven with a view. When the sun dips, Soho Square lights up. It's got fountains, ice bars, live music, and that playful resort-style sparkle. It's Vegas meets the Red Sea, but way cooler. Sharm el-Sheikh isn't just a destination, it's a mood. Adventure in the day, rhythm by night, and peace all around. It's the perfect Red Sea love letter, and I'm so glad I opened it. Today we're floating through time on the Nile River. From the grand temples of Luxor to the serene magic of Aswan, this journey is an open-air museum, and every step whispers history. First stop, Luxor, once known as Thebes, the capital of ancient Egypt. Welcome to Karnak Temple, an epic sprawl of columns, statues, and hieroglyphs carved by kings and kissed by the sun. Then go underground into the Valley of the Kings, where golden tombs lie hidden in painted chambers. I stood where pharaohs slept for eternity, and it was absolutely surreal. And don't miss Luxor Temple at night, when it glows under the stars like it's still alive. From Luxor to Aswan, the best way to travel is how the ancients did, by boat. The Nile carries you slowly, but powerfully, like the stories carved in every stone you pass. Welcome to Aswan, peaceful, warm, and full of Nubian spirit. Visit Philae Temple, dedicated to goddess Isis and surrounded by water like a myth rising from the Nile. Explore the colorful Nubian villages, where hospitality is as bright as the houses. Music, spices, and smiles live here. And don't miss a sunset felucca ride to Elephantine Island, a place where time slows and the river tells its secrets. Luxor stuns you with scale, Aswan soothes you with soul. Together they are Egypt's heartbeat, where gods were worshipped, kings were buried, and the Nile forever flows. I'm Marveler, and this journey filled my eyes, heart, and spirit.